Gujiyas, karanji or ghugra, whatever you call them, our easy recipe will help you master them. The dough should be soft. Using oil instead of ghee can harden the dough. Make sure you rub the ghee into the flour before adding water. This makes the dough more elastic or khasta. Only add a little water at a time. You should cover the dough with a damp cloth to prevent it from drying out. Gujia fillings come in many variations. Ours is made with khoya and coconut. Roasting the nuts in ghee gives them a better flavor. The coconut should be cooked on a low flame to prevent burning. Try to find the freshest khoya possible. If it's homemade, it's even better. Raisins add some sweetness and zing. Cardamom is the quintessential mithai flavoring. Powdered sugar melts easily, while granulated sugar might not work as well. A quick blend in the mixer should do the trick. Cool this filling before getting ready to stuff them. Grease your hands with ghee to moisten and shape the balls before rolling them into small puris. Roll your dough slightly thick to prevent any tearing. We've prepared 4 different folding styles that are perfect for beginners. Put a little filling onto your puri. Apply water on the edges to make sure it sticks. Make sure you keep the edges short and neat. This style is super simple. Just press down on the edges with a fork to get this lovely skirt pattern. When stuffing the mixture, avoid overfilling. The classic braid can be achieved by simply pressing the edge and twisting it inwards. Repeat this motion the entire way. If frying later, make sure you cover the gujiyas with a damp cloth to prevent cracking. Cut the edges evenly with a knife. Then take each section and press it from the tip to create a flower petal shape. Take 2 ends and bring them together. Then take the opposite ends and bring them to the center. Then join all the edges to create a cross shape. This is similar to a dumpling or momo style. Heat the oil on medium heat and gently drop them in. Frying gujia on a high flame can also make them soggy and undercooked from inside. You can store these in an airtight container for 14 to 20 days. Simple and delicious, gujiyas make the perfect Holi treat. Happy Holi from the Glamorous family. Thanks for watching.